Is your silver jewelry looking a little dull? You're not alone. Silver naturally reacts with things in the air, causing a pesky tarnish. But don't worry. My name is Akmakjian from BriteCo Insurance. In this video, I'll show you easy and effective ways to clean your silver jewelry at home. We'll cover everything from cleaning silver rings, to necklaces, to bracelets. Let's get into making your silver jewelry shine bright again. Silver jewelry is very quick to tarnish. Just with exposure to air, the metal will begin to oxidize. Knowing how to clean silver jewelry at home can help you maintain its shine, and silver jewelry cleaning can be done using a couple of methods depending on the desired outcome. Here are some helpful tips. Mix a few drops of gentle soap, like dishwashing liquid or baby shampoo, into warm water. The container you use should be big enough to fit the piece you want to clean. Let your jewelry soak in the soapy water for 5 to 10 minutes. Use a soft cloth or soft bristle brush like a baby toothbrush to clean your piece of jewelry. Rinse off your jewelry in a separate container of warm water. Dry your jewelry with a soft cloth like a microfiber towel and avoid using paper towels. You can even use a silver polishing cloth designed to make your silver jewelry shine. To clean your high polished silver pieces, you need a treated polishing cloth, warm water, dish soap, and silver cleaner. Rub the jewelry with the treated cloth until the tarnish areas are clean. This may take persistence. Once the cloth has taken care of the darkened spots, you can clean the piece with a combination of hot water and dish soap. Antique silver is silver that has been blackened intentionally to give it a vintage look. To clean these silver pieces, you need warm water and dish soap. When considering the best way to clean silver jewelry with antiqued finish, you'll gently go over them with a polishing cloth. But be careful, pressing too hard can remove the antique look. It is best to clean these pieces with soapy, warm water. Do not use silver cleaner from the jar on these pieces, as it will remove the intended vintage tarnish. Never clean your silver jewelry with abrasive cleaners or brushes. Some abrasive products can scratch or damage your jewelry since silver is a soft metal. You'll want to avoid baking soda, dishwashing and laundry detergent, and acidic products like tomato sauce. Consider taking your piece to a jeweler if your jewelry needs a more thorough cleaning than a soft bristle brush and gentle soap can provide. A jewelry store will have more tools like an ultrasonic cleaner and jewelry cleaner solvents to professionally clean your silver jewelry safely. All silver jewelry loses its shine, but you can reduce how quickly it tarnishes. Storing your pieces away from chemicals and moisture when you're not wearing them helps slow tarnishing. You can also buy rhodium-plated silver jewelry. Rhodium plating protects the silver underneath from oxidation. You should also consider protecting your fine jewelry by getting insured. Jewelry insurance protects your piece against damage, theft, loss. BriteCo offers fast, easy, and affordable ways to get jewelry insurance. Use our online quote tool to get a custom quote in 60 seconds and get the coverage you need to protect your fine silver jewelry. Thanks for watching.